everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today I'm going to be cleaning some seeds that I need to get done. All of these are things that I harvested from either my parents' yard or my own yard. Most of them are flowers. I think I might have one or two vegetables, but they're all seeds that I was able to get for free because I harvested them. And now they need to be cleaned up. So let's get started. I'll also post pictures while we get to each individual seed so you guys know what the actual plant and flower looks like. But yeah, let's get to it. The only supplies I really have are these little paper bags just to put the finished clean seeds inside so I can store them for whenever I need them. Really simple. But here are all of the seeds. You might recognize some of them are still in dried flower form there, and really a lot of them, to be honest. First bunch of seeds that I'm going to be cleaning are the globe thistles. All of these little hairy bits. Really kind of cool seeds. I harvest these from my mom's place because they like drier, hotter spots, and my front garden is exactly that. So I think these would make a perfect addition in the front garden. And so what we do here is this, all that stuff isn't the seed. The seed is down inside. Pull that right there. It's right down in there, just like that. So that, garbage, that is our seed. And they're also beautiful flowers that last for a long time. Morning Glory seeds, I had to save these ones. They were from my front porch this year. Loved them growing up. The vines absolutely took over that corner. You may remember in a video I had. So I'm just gonna pack them away right away in their own little baggie. Along with the Silver Fall seed that I collected. Now this was a new plant for me, and I don't know if these seeds are actually going to be viable, but I thought I would harvest them and see if I get anything, because they're about $10 a plant, which makes them really pricey, but if I can grow them myself, that would be ideal. We have the calendula seed. Now even though they do look like they're massively different sizes, they are all clean and they are all seeds. And these are the strawberry blonde calendulas that I got from Baker Creek. Of course, I lost the packet, so I have a new packet here for them to go into so I can plant them out. I always direct sow these because they just work so well direct sown. Pink Gomphrena. Now these seeds are actually really easy to separate. So you can see, well, maybe you can see on camera, but there's the actual seeds that are these fuzzy things, if you can see them right there. And then they're surrounded by these papery husks that we don't want. So I'm just going to pick through, get about 50 seeds out of this pile, and there's a lot more. I could spend a lot more time, but I don't need that many seeds. And then I'm going to bag them up and we'll be on to the next seed. There's about 100 seeds there. I'm also gonna throw in one of the flowers just in case I forget what they look like. I can be like, oh yeah, they're little round puff balls. Pink Ruby Parfait Celosia. Beautiful flower, one of my favorites. Yeah, it really just can't be beat. Beautiful dried flower. And the seed comes out very, very easily. I mean, even just as it's sitting here, all those little black seeds or black specks in there, those are seeds. So basically, job already done here. But I'm gonna try to whack out as many as I can. Hit the bowl, get all the seeds to drop to the bottom. And then what I'm gonna do is take this outside and gently blow all of the light stuff away. Just like that. And I'm left with some clean seed. Blue Salvia. Now, with these, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I can already hear the seeds shaking inside. Very similar to the Celosia, I'm just going to be kind of clearing all these little bits into the bowl, scrunching them up a little bit to try to break them up and get all the little bits of seed to fall out, and then blowing away any of the husks. Red zinnias. Now we all know how beautiful zinnias are. I personally find collecting their seeds to be a bit of a bitch, if I'm being fully honest. I find the blowing trick doesn't work well, but I find that I can very easily still scoop out the seeds. Now, there's also the paper kind of petals. Those are not the seeds, but they definitely do surround the seeds. But the seeds are those guys. Put those to the sides. And I'm just gonna pick through these. Okay, that's it for saving seeds with me today. I have a bunch to now get started in a few months. So thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay harvesting. Bye.